But then it takes me out of the category. Sag. I could just stream to no category. I don't know what I want to do. I want to keep streaming. Yeah, dude. I don't know what I want to do right now. Oh, that's so funny. Bro, so there's a manhole cover in the road. And all the birds, because there's no snow on half of it, all the birds are just on it. Bro, they're just chilling. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 birds on half a manhole cover in the road.
Wow.
Because there's no snow there or ice. I gotta show you all this. Hold on. We're getting funky with it real quick. We're gonna look out my window. Very, very carefully.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Yo, there's so many birds. Bro, they're popping off. They're popping off, man. Where? Oh god, the cable. It's all weird. What is this cable on? Oh no.
Oh no!
I've gotta like snake it through everything. Did I do it? Oh, guys, it's even worse now. It's even worse now. I'm upside down. Hold on. We're going to do it this way because I'm stubborn. And because it's an adventure. Ow! Am I making this worse? Oh no, I see where I have to go. Hold on. Yes. Yes. We're getting somewhere. This is it. The final climb. Poggers. Wait. There's one more journey. There's one more journey here. Hey. I want to show you all the birds that are outside, brother. Give me a second. Look at them. There they are. Look at them. They're right there on the manhole cover. See them? Look. There they are. Right there. There was like way more though. I think I scared them. Yo, what up, amigos? Look at them just chilling. They're birds in the trees. Like right there. Yo, is there someone outside? Hello? Yo, you can see up my nose. Oh my god. What's going on? Yo, there's birds right there too. Oh, holy shit. Damn. Alright, hold on. Yo, there's a bird. Yo, there's a bird right there. Oh, I'm really close. I'm way closer than I thought I was. Where are they? Birds! Birds! Look at them. Now there's 3 on the manhole cover. Yo, this is crazy. You know I live on a street? Yeah. Bro, all the birds are just like chilling on this tree. They're all just hanging out, man. It's crazy. Look at them. They're just chiefing. Cool. Y'all want to see like... Yo, watch this. This is gonna be freaky. Ready? Oh, it's my foot. Oh, that's for my OnlyFans. Oh, no. Monka S, brother. Look at that fall. Look at that. Oh no. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Yeah. Man, look at my nose. XQC, let's touch tips. Hey, brother. It can be like Dragon Ball Z where we like do this, but with our noses.
Do you have a favorite like shoe size?
We'll be like fusion, like that, and then we combine, and that's what we do. Is that, but with the tips of our nostrils. Yo, who's making a pizza? I can smell it. I can smell the pizza. Brother. You see, actually, that's a good point. I can smell the pizza. With our forces combined, XQC, we will be unstoppable. Anyways, let me know, XQC. Thank you. Anyways, we looked at birds on my street that were all congregating on the manhole cover. They've all left, though. Oh, they're all in the tree now. Oh my god. Bro, there's like 20 fat fucking birds in the tree. Right there. That's crazy. What is going on? Man, they're popping off. Anyways. I'm back on my bullshit. No more big cam. Sag. I know. It's a shame.